What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 1998 Honda Valkyrie. Guys, this bike is awesome. It's the two-tone red and cream. It's got the whole 9 yards. Rear fender's actually in pretty good shape. These bags do have some scuffs on them. Pretty typical. They're like a weird hard bag. I don't know how to really describe them. They do have some scuffs. Looks like kind of like a weird fake leather, but it's like plastic. Cobra boards. This chrome's all in really good shape. It does have a tiny bit of pitting, like, not pitting, like some rusting. Not a huge deal. Chipping the paint right there. Front fender has a scuff right there. Not a huge deal. Just a couple of scuffs right there. This is all in really good shape, actually. I mean, you got to take this bike for what it is. It's 20-some years old, 21 years old. You know, it's got some. It's kind of the nature of the beast. This saddle is freaking huge. This is a Mustang seat, Mustang backrest, all Mustang everything. Top of the tank's in great shape. 39,000 miles. Let's fire this beast up. Oh. Like I said, guys, 1998 Honda Valkyrie. Oh, I want to let you guys know this is painted gray. Just a couple of chips in it and stuff like that. That is painted gray. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check this bike out online.